Hey guys, I'm the Lazy Natural. Karibu to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I moved from dry, matted, and brittle to sleek, slayed, and moisturized in just a minute. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So I'm from washing my hair. As you can see, shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real. At the corner, me and Susie know. Hi guys, I'm the Lazy Natural. Karibu to my channel. If you're new, I wish you guys growth, length, and prosperity in this year 2018. We have to grow our hair, our edges. We have to have that thickness. So first of all, I'm going to start off by removing this horrible hairdo. As you can see, this was just like something I wanted to hold up while I was sick. So I'm just going to remove it and just try and be really gentle. As you can see, the disaster. Can you see that dryness? Can you see that mattiness? The amount of shedded hair I removed in the shower from this, you have no idea. It was so matted. It wasn't even funny. Like, it was just serious. I just look so bad. Like, I was laughing at myself for like a whole 5 minutes. So first of all, I'm going to start off by using just plain water, nothing fancy, and just trying to loosen up my curls. And right now I'm going to show you like the difference between when you put a little bit of water in your hair and when your hair is extremely dry. Can you see the difference? Can you see how moisturized that lower part looks? Like, can you see the difference? Can you see the comparison? So first of all, I'm going to use my DIY deep conditioner. If you're interested in looking at that video, I'm going to put it in the description bar and also at the card. And many people normally ask me, Priska, how comes you normally have fun with your natural hair? First of all, natural hair isn't anything serious. Natural hair is supposed to be a journey. You're supposed to go through your, bad days, good days. So I always tell people, if you're having a difficult time in falling in love or being confident in your natural hair, just take your time and enjoy it. Just don't be really too devastated. Don't overthink everything. Just take your time, enjoy your journey, fall in love with your hair, and I swear the results will just come. And next, as you can see, I like putting a lot of conditioner, as you can see at the back. Reason why is because my hair was really dry and brittle, and another reason is because it was matted. So I really wanted to have a lot of slip to remove all of that shedded hair and all of that, all of that that dryness and everything. I just really wanted to saturate my hair, and it's really easy to do that when you have a lot of slip. You understand? First of all, I'm a finger detangler. I don't really use combs, so this is an easy option if you really want to finger detangle effectively. Just saturate your hair with like a lot of deep conditioner, so it can be really easy. I also put my hair in like twists or braids depending on what you really prefer. Reason why is because I have low porosity and fine strands, and when you have fine strands, it's really easy to have single strand knots or just have like fairy knots. So I'm trying to avoid that by washing my hair in the shower and rinsing out that conditioner while it's in the twist. And I'm just going to put a shower cap and a muffin on top and just generate body heat, so I can just open up my cuticles, which is really important for every low porosity person. As you can see my shirt amount of moisture that I have gotten from the conditioner, as you can see. So first of all, I'm going to explain why I have some whiteness. I already put some leave-in conditioner in the bathroom, so that's why my hair is kind of whitish, but you can still see the moisture in it. I'm just going to put like my favorite leave-in conditioner, Mikala Hair Essentials, just to give my hair that extra boost, because it needs some TLC, it needs some love. So I'm just going to put it in the ends, especially I normally concentrate at the ends, and I would never forget my edges because my hair was really dry. My hair was really dry. So next up, I'm going to use some Dark and Lovely All Natural Satin Oil. I normally use heavy oils, but my heavy oil was actually over. I normally use shea butter, but right now I'm just going to use the satin oil and just put my hair and just seal in all that moisture and goodness and make sure my hair is really moisturized. I really love the smell of this oil. I also did a review on the Dark and Lovely range of products. I'll leave it in the description bar below. As you can see, I have my bounce back, my everything, my moisture is on point. So next up, I am just going to put it in a low manipulation style. You can use bantu knots or anything else. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, it'll be at the Lazy Natural. As you can see, that moisture girl. hey, yeah, I'm telling you, it's on fire. My hair, I was just feeling myself this day. I was like, yes, I have my hair back. So first of all, I'm just going to put some bantu knots. This is a low manipulation style, so my hair won't really shrink up. As you can see, it's really shrinking up. It's really, as in, it can get shorter than this. You have no idea. Shrinkage is real. So I'm just going to avoid that by putting it in bantu knots, so you won't be dealing with single strand knots or fairy knots if I decide to wash my hair again. And another thing, I really want you guys to tell me, what do you think about DIYs? Do you really think they're effective? What's your thought about DIYs? And if you guys have any like favorite hibiscus powder or any DIY that you want me to try out, make sure you comment down below. But I really want to think about if you think DIYs are effective or not. So thank you for watching this video. Kwaheri guys, love you guys so much. So kwaheri, I'll see you on my next video.